I look like this, the fuck? That's my last time getting down. Hopefully I don't stumble.
Which angle? Maybe this angle. Frank's gonna miss climbing down this ladder every morning. He never listens. He never does feet first. He does his head first.
Okay.
You wanna fall one last time?
No. Okay. Brush my teeth. Gonna eat breakfast and we're gonna get off the ship.
It is 6-ish o'clock. It's 6:18. 6:18, we're having breakfast at the buffet for the very last time for this trip.
Yep. I think I might be busy. Morning. Oh, perfect.
Down.
No, it's not. Hi.
Are you ready to go home, Kashia?
The lift is going up.
Boom.
Here we get a seat. Boom, boom.
这怎么是个公司不要？
Deck 70.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Bye. Oh. nhớ. Chưa chặt. So
Natalie, I'm gonna cancel our 10 a.m. Uber, by the way.
Tao nó mỏi phải luôn. Nó mỏi ta chạy bài luôn. Bye. 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 Oh baby. Hello. Hello baby. Oh, wow. Bye bye luôn. Xin.
Let's go, my banana girl.
Come on. Xin chào. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Where are we gonna go eat? Go eat protein? Nope.
Shiloh, hey.
Eat
What
protein. Protein. We're gonna go down. That's down. Go, baby.
Đẹp mà lên lầu. One. Mia. Cầm một tiền để shop. 11145. Let's see. Good morning. Ê, lau chi. Room service.
Oh, let's see.
You're tired out.
Oh no, put your line.
Malini.
We didn't order a room service.
Can we see your room?
Yeah.
We haven't seen your room yet.
It looks exactly like ours. It looks. Wow.
Oh,
You got the
different
import tray?
design.
Looks exactly like ours.
No, it's a different
The
design.
picture.
Yeah, y'all's look kind of cute. What a cute room.
Really?
Yeah.
They need to.
On the photo? Yeah, it's like
Only the
this.
photo.
Is also very hazard.
Yep, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it
You know
back.
each other.
Okay, let's
You got
go,
it?
guys.
Okay, let's go.
Did you weigh yours?
Yes.
Okay.
About less than 40 pounds each.
Perfect.
35, 34 pounds.
Apparently, it's 6th floor. So you want to call Ma? Y'all go down 6th floor. We'll come down 6th floor.
You guys going right now?
Apple, we have to get
a card to just hold the power on?
Yeah?
We
well, let's freaking just go together.
Yeah.
already
Bye,
lining
Kasia.
up down there.
You
Yeah.
don't want me to keep her?
Bye. Okay, you stay with your mommy.
Bye.
Bye.
Should I keep her?
What? Why?
Okay, never mind. Bye.
What? What?
Just temporarily while we're moving.
What? They gotta move stuff. Too,
Yeah.
okay?
Well, we got a stroller and a thingy-majigger.
Anything. Let me check. Ya tata na. The kitchen. The kitchen na. You're good. We're going. My hand is foul. My bed a little blurry. Hello. Oh, Yama, Mali. Oh. Goodbye, Prima. See you next time. It's 10:58. We are in the airport. It was like an hour, 10-minute drive here, but we finally made it. It took so long. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I was like, woo. But that was a long ass drive, y'all. But we made it. Finally here. The security here was chill. I felt like it was a lot nicer than Minneapolis. They're more chill. Not as hectic. A lot nicer for sure. The attendant who took my bag, they're like, hi, how are you? I'm like, good, thank you. Usually people never ask me when I like do my baggage, but they asked and it was sweet, it was nice. But yeah, the cruise people are also nicer too. Usually when we get off, they're like, hurry, keep going, stop, no. Okay, but yeah, I'm talking snack about the cruise people. Granny and Sydney. Tim is Megan and Kyle. Was it Sydney? Who?
Sydney's pregnant.
What? Isn't Megan also pregnant?
Megan cheated with Tim.
What? On Kyle. But then Kyle also cheated on Megan with Sydney last month.
Something like that.
I have my footage, but yeah, no, I'm talking how yeah. Usually Norwegian is pretty mean, but this time they're a little nicer.
A little bit.
A little bit. At the end.
I'm not like the biggest fan.
I know, I agree, me too. Oh. Hi, baby. Oh, but I might see out. But I hope to see the terminal thing. I can't. I don't see anything. But here we go. Kunia Kutsi. Just wait, other menu. Oh, never stop. เนปาลแล้วมันจะมันได้ดาวนาโอ้ไม่ด้านหนัวนะคะเดี๋ยวจะไม่ด้านหนัว too cheap ใช่เด้อ so pretty
Smile.
继续，叫个下个。 Okay, go play. Teka, to telo. Kasi, chichi. Shinjiro, muna ito. Bye-bye. Bye, baby. Kasi, bye-bye. Bye. Muna na. Bye.
Route 4 every time, Route 4.
Đây là trò lô mình áp là sơ chỉ còn nó lô ow ow what are you doing no oh really so excited she did very good. 도대체 나가 걸려.
Look towards the energy.
Yeah, just a little bit.
All the TV.
Wow, really? You live in luxury life. Oh. Hello. Lepas tu hai teh. Lepas tu pelus.
I don't know where you're
A status update for flight 61.
I think so. Oh, you're here, sister. Come here. Wow. Bài bé. Ngã có bài pháo. Phải luôn.
Good.
Nè. Bye. Bye.
Flight servicing Miami to Minneapolis. Your baggage will arrive at the front door.
Okay, bye. Let's go. Peter's between door 1 and 2. We're going home. Little vacation, no? Shaku. Shatata. Let's go. Bye. Phía đó. Nhớ kia nó. Nó. My brother. Oh my god, motherfucker, hello. Oh my god, hi.
You start over.
Okay, well, hi, it is the day tomorrow now. It's been a whole day because I forgot to record ever since we got off the plane. So,
Yeah. It was such a shock. Wait, you didn't record us off the plane?
no.
I should have recorded. Oh, I had a lot going on too.
I didn't record us at the buffet. I didn't record us driving
Oh, it's
home.
okay. You can just take mom's footage.
I know, it's true. Now we're just at Dur's place.
Yeah. We came home last night at like 6? No, 8?
7-ish, 7:30-ish, 7:40-ish.
Yeah, and then we went to buffet and then drove home. Got home at like
10.
11? 10?
10 like 30.
10:30, and then I came home. Got home at like 11.
Hi.
And then went to sleep at midnight. What time did you sleep?
Oh. Yesterday I came home and I wasn't tired anymore. And so
Really?
I went to go shower and I stayed up.
와, 뿌이가 준다고 했잖아.
Yeah. I stayed up until like 3 dancing.
Oh my goodness.
Because I haven't danced in a while like that. So I was just like, let me dance. And I went to sleep and I woke up this morning at 10.
What? You woke up today at 7?
10.
Oh, at 10. I see. Cool.
But yeah. How you, Ping?
Hello.
How was it for you coming back yesterday?
It felt good.
Yeah.
I was tired.
Yeah.
I still am tired. But I missed the not having to cook part.
Yeah.
You still didn't cook.
I did cook.
Me too. I missed the not cooking part. Now I have to cook for myself. This cake. I don't but
Yeah.
the cake. How are you, Kashia?
Mo?
Okay, she said Momo. Okay, but that sums it up. That's my trip. Bye.